whoa, 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 whoa. Well, I talk to God about your worth. You're the kindest soul on the meanest earth. Your eyes will outshine any one of the stars. They dance free, falling trace to happening past car. All of these girls seem the same to me. You're the one who did it a little differently. You're only the man who don't feel alone, but you are standing content all on your own. I don't want somebody who's want somebody. I want somebody like you. Perfectly fine with having nobody till the right kind of person came through. Whoa, 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 whoa. Well, hi there, pluckers. I'll saw things again with hopefully another interesting lesson for you Zach Bryan fans out there. It's a song called Somebody. Okay, standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key that Zach Bryan plays this song in. Okay, so basically this song has only got 3 chords in it, but they sometimes change the order slightly. Okay, so the chords that I'm playing are a D minor 7, so that's like a basic simple F chord but leave off the 3rd finger, so you open 4th string, sort of 4 downwards, should sound like that. Then we got is a C sus4. Okay, and what you do, the way I think you're playing it, is basically it keeps the bar across the first 2 strings on the 1st fret, takes off the 2nd finger and puts the 3rd finger up on the 3rd fret of the 5th string, the A string, and pinky goes to the 3rd fret of the 4th string. Okay, so you've got a bar on the first 2 strings, 1st fret, and then the 3rd fret of the 5th string and the 4th string, 3rd string open, 5 downwards. Should sound like that. Okay, so you've got, and he sort of hits the bass note and then strums the chords, so it's like open 4th, strum the D7th, D minor 7th, sorry, and then we play the 3rd on the 5th and then strum the C sus4, and then we go to a standard F chord but with 4 fingers. So all you do from that C sus4 is you add the 2nd finger to the 2nd fret on the 3rd string, 5 downwards again, and that's your F. Okay, so you've got D, C sus4, and then F. Hit the 3rd on the 4th, and then strum the chord. Okay, and you got okay, slowly. Occasionally he will play, when he goes to the F, he'll play an F, and then for the 2nd bit of the F, he takes that 2nd finger off and then hammers it back into the 2nd fret on the 3rd string. So you get this sort of thing. That sort of thing, yeah? So anyway, so it starts off with that sequence of chords, D minor 7th, C sus4, and then the F, again. This time we can do the hammer if you want on the F. Now it goes into that whoa 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 bit, whoa 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 whoa. Then he goes into the 1st verse and the chords are the same, same sequence of chords. Well, I think I could talk, sorry, well, I think I talk to God about your word. We kind of, right, it's the same sort of thing, okay? Don't play it too quick, okay? Talk to God about your word, put your kind of soul on the minister. Your eyes will outshine any one of the stars when you stop on the F. When you dance a free falling trace of Chaplin fast car. Okay, so that's the first verse. Okay, so we'll just go through that again, coming out of the whoa 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 bits. We'll do one more whoa bits and then we'll go into it. Whoa 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 whoa. Right, here comes the first. I talk to God about your worth with kind of soul on the minister. Your eyes will shine with the stars when you dance a free falling trace to Chaplin fast car. And he does this same chord sequence again, but it's quicker. It's just like that. So it's hit the 4th string, D minor 7th, then straight to the C, sus4, hit the bass note, strum, and then the F, and then hammer into that. So it's, you do that twice. So the first verse with the end bit, whoa, 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 coming into it from the whoa whoas. Right, here we go. I talk to God about your word, but you got the kind of soul on the meanest earth. Your eyes will outshine any one of the stars, but you dance the free falling trace to Chaplin fast car. Okay, now it goes into the second verse. Now this is slightly different, the way I hear it. You could try and play it the same way as the first verse, but I don't think it's quite the same as the first verse. Same chords, but slightly different order. Same starts off with, all of these girls seem the same to me as F. So you go D minor, all of these girls seem the F, the same to me, back to the D minor 7th. So it's, these girls were the same to me, you were the one, back to D minor 7th, then the C add 4, and then back to the F. So it's, all of these girls seem the same to me, you were the one who did it a little differently. Slowly. All of these girls seem the same to me, you were the one who did it a little differently. Same again. They all make a man, so they don't feel alone. You're understanding the contents strong on your own. So it's that twice, okay? D minor, 7th, F, D minor 7th, C sus 4, F. Again. And he does then 2 lots of that quick one again. Okay, then we're going into the chorus, and that's back to the same as the first verse. I don't want somebody, it's the D minor 7th to the C add 4. Want somebody, F, I want somebody like you. Same again, perfectly fine, having nobody till the right kind of person comes through. Whoa, whoa, whoa. D minor 7 C sus and 4 F. Okay, so you've got the first verse, the intro, the first verse, the second verse, which is slightly different, and then back to the same chords as the first verse for the chorus. Okay, so we'll do that whole thing. Okay. Right from the beginning, right to the end of the first chorus, okay? Then I'll explain what's different about the rest of the song, okay? Right from the intro. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. I talk to God about your work. You got the kind of soul on the meaner stuff. The eyes wide shine and he won the stars. When he do to fall and turns his back into my scar. All of these girls seem the same to me. Well, the one who did it a little differently. They all need a man because they don't feel alone, but they're standing in content, strong on their own. I don't want somebody who's wanted. Sorry, I don't want somebody who always wants somebody. I want somebody like you. Perfectly fine having your body till the right kind of person comes through. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, so there we have the intro, first verse, second verse, which is a bit different, and then the chorus. Okay. After that, basically, you go back to another verse which plays the same as the second verse, okay, with the extra chord changes in it. So, well, don't call me a son, don't call me a bandit. That's the third verse. That plays the same as the second verse, okay. Then we do a fourth verse which goes back to the same as the first verse, just the D minor 7th to C. Okay, and then it does another chorus again, basically, or it does two choruses one after the other. It does one chorus and then it goes back into the same chorus again. Okay, and then you just repeat, for the very ending, you just repeat the first two lines of the first verse, where it goes, well, I talk to God about your earth and you're the kind of soul on the meanest earth. And that's how you end it, okay? First two lines of the first verse. Okay, so there you have it. So it's basically the same, most of it is the same apart from verse 2 and verse 3, which change the chord sequence slightly. The same chords, different order. Okay. Hopefully that makes sense to you. Thanks very much for watching, listening, and I'll see you in the next lesson. And please excuse the singing as usual. I'm no Zach Bryan, so there you are. Thank you, just for reference. Bye for now.